Hey there, how's it going, guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at how to repair a ceramic pot that has been broken. Now, we got a couple just planter pots today that you can pick up at any hardware store, Home Depot, Menards, anything like that. And we're going to be repairing them with two glues. One is a quick dry tacky glue that you can get at a craft store. This is meant for more art projects and stuff that's a little bit more crafty. And a Gorilla Glue for the other broken pot, which is a more general purpose super glue. And we're gonna compare and contrast them on how well they put together the broken piece. And usually you're supposed to let these wait and cure for 24 hours, but today we'll be testing it for 10 minutes in case you need these pots quickly, a day of type situation. So we're gonna start with the tacky glue, and we're gonna start by just applying the glue to the edge of the pot here. Now, normally when you do pottery and the pottery is in still its wet condition, you'll have to score the edges to make things stick. But because this has already been fired and is in its hardened form, it already has the rough edges to stick effectively. And it's okay if you have a little bit of glue coming out of the seams. That means that it's doing its job. And we're just gonna let that sit now for about 10 minutes. And number two, we'll be testing out the Gorilla Super Glue. And this is gonna be the same principle of just applying it along the seam, along the edge here. And this is a little bit of a runnier glue, so you're probably not gonna need as much because gravity's gonna do a lot of the work for you here. Same thing as last time, you're just gonna fit it in there on that seam. And line it up and apply that pressure, just like last time. And you just want to take some glue if you can, or if you need to, and fill in some of these gaps. It's not the exact science, but that's going to be kind of your solution to once you have it in there. All right, guys, so it's been about 10 minutes now, and you can see with the tacky glue solution that this is actually pretty dry, and the glue cleared up and dried away pretty nicely. There are only a few marks there. Nothing you can't get off with water mix after this is fully set, or just wipe it off. Or you could paint it, you could repaint it. It's been approximately 10 minutes for this one now as well, and as you can see, the cure time for this is a lot longer. We still have quite a bit of wet glue. It's not faded yet. It doesn't feel nearly as sturdy. It does feel like it could even possibly come off my hands if I pull on it too hard. If you're looking to fix a pot in short notice, this might not be the best option, but we're gonna go ahead and try it out anyway. Here's our beautiful annual succulent. And then we're gonna wanna put a little water in there. I wanted to show that no water is leaving the crack itself. As expected, will be running out the bottom, but as it filled up there, nothing really seemed to have gotten out or escaped, so that's really what we're looking for. So this will be the test with the Gorilla Glue pot. Now, as previously mentioned, it does usually need more cure time, more set time, and this will be the water test. Once again, maybe overwatering a little bit, and you can see that as the water runs out the bottom, that you're getting some water mixture with the glue in here. It is running a little bit, but for such a short amount of time for this glue to set, and for it not really being the right purpose of glue, it's doing a decent job. It'll work in a pinch, it'll hold up. So at the end of the test here, I think we can see that the craft tacky glue held up a lot better than the Gorilla Glue. This is just a much better short-term solution. If you have more time or you're willing to wait, this can work, this will work just fine, but I really would recommend the tacky glue. That has been our episode today on how to repair a broken pot. Like, comment, share, subscribe, anything you'd like to show love back to our channel, and let us know what you want to see us fix next. Have a good one, everyone. Thank you.